Lazarus! Come out!
Take away the stone.
Listen, he said take away the stone.
Was I unclear?
Lord, by this time there will be an odor. He's been dead for 4 days.
Martha, surely you know that is a minor matter. Did I not tell you that if you believed, you will see the glory of God? Your only priority in this moment is faith. I say to you again, remove the stone.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on!
Father, I thank you that you have heard me.
I know that you always hear me. But I said this on account of the people standing around, that they may believe that you sent me.
Sent? What is he doing?
You already told us last night, you don't remember?
He said so that we and many others might believe in him.
We already believe in him.
Not everyone for everything.
Lazarus! Come out!
Unbind him. Get him out of those wrappings.
staying here.
What has happened?
You're back.
Jesus. Am I dreaming?
This is no dream. You just woke up.
I was asleep.
Back in the land of the living, brother.
Thank you.
I'm sorry it had to be this way. But also not. Because there is a higher plan in all of it.
I trust you. I know you like to keep me humble, but I am naked underneath these wrappings.
You could use a bath.
And I'm starving.
Don't be so dramatic. It's only been 4 days.
4 days?
The longest nap of your life.
Oh, gentle.
It's real. The stories of Jesus of Nazareth are true.
Nazareth. I have to go back to Jerusalem.
What is it?
Jesus of Nazareth.
You know who that is? I've heard his name before.
I have to go back. Right now.
But why now? We have to find out what happened.
I think it's clear what just happened.
No, but how?